Picture a Viking craftsman in a Scandinavian forest, 850 AD. He stands before a pine, axe in hand, not just seeing a tree but reading its story. He works with the grain, guided by generations of knowledge, every swing deliberate. The forest is his workshop, nature his guide. He's not just cutting wood, he's shaping a legacy. Now jump to a modern workshop, 2026. The air hums with electricity. A woodworker faces a factory-milled plank surrounded by power tools. Saws scream, drills whir. Everything is fast, efficient, exact. The connection to the original tree feels distant. These scenes reveal more than different tools. They show two philosophies. For the Viking, wood was a living partner. He listened to its strengths and weaknesses. His survival depended on understanding the material. Every joint was a testament to this respect for nature. Today, we often force wood into shape, using machines, glue and metal fasteners. We value speed and uniformity, precision in millimeters. But in our quest for perfection, have we lost something? Have we forgotten the ancient wisdom that built things to last centuries? This is the heart of our comparison. Viking woodworking was a masterclass in using nature's design. Without sawmills, they split logs along the grain, riving, preserving the wood's strength. Riven planks are strong and flexible, unlike sawn planks that cut through fibers. To join wood, Vikings carved mortise and tenon joints, locked with wooden pegs. These pegs moved with the wood, swelling and shrinking together, keeping joints tight. Metal nails resist movement, causing cracks and rot over time. Wooden pegs let structures breathe and adapt to weather. Vikings chose heartwood, harvested timber at the right season, and understood their material deeply. Their knowledge was science passed down through experience. They built ships and buildings that survived harsh winters and ocean storms. Every step respected the wood's natural properties. Their craft was about harmony, not control. This approach made their creations resilient and beautiful. The Vikings were true masters of their material. Their legacy endures because they worked with, not against, nature. Their methods offer lessons in durability and sustainability. We can still learn from their partnership with wood. Look at Norway's stave churches, some of the oldest wooden buildings on Earth. The Ørn Stave Church, built around 1130 AD, still stands after 9 centuries. Its survival is no accident, but the result of masterful wood joinery. Massive staves form the backbone. Riven planks slot into grooves. The frame is held by mortise and tenon joints and wooden pegs. No metal fasteners. The structure is strong yet flexible, able to move with fierce winds. Wooden joints flex, not crack, adapting to the weather. Pegs swell in damp air, tightening joints. In dry weather, the design keeps it stable. This adaptability is the secret to its longevity. The Vikings built dynamic systems, not rigid ones. Modern science confirms these joints distribute stress better than many modern methods. The stave church is a living lesson in sustainable engineering. In the modern workshop, speed and precision rule. Power tools let one person do the work of many, fast and uniform. We join wood with steel screws, nails, and powerful glues. Strong at first, but vulnerable over time. Metal fasteners rust, expand, and crack wood. Glues become brittle. Modern methods treat wood as static, forcing it into shape. Rigid joints fight the wood's natural movement, creating stress. Over years, this leads to failure, cracks, rot, and weakened structures. We've traded long-term resilience for short-term efficiency. The convenience is real, but the cost is hidden. Our approach often ignores wood's living nature. The result, structures that may look perfect but lack the endurance of Viking craft. We must ask, what are we sacrificing for speed? What can we learn from the Vikings? Not to abandon modern tools, but to change our mindset. Build in cooperation with materials, not in conflict. Understand wood's properties, riven versus sawn, heartwood versus sapwood. Use science to enhance ancient wisdom. Imagine houses with precision-shaped parts, but flexible, interlocking joints. Choose materials for durability, not just cost. Design for repair and longevity, as Vikings did. The Vikings built for forever, respecting the soul of the wood. In our disposable culture, their lesson is urgent. True strength comes from partnership with nature. The echo of the Viking axe reminds us, sustainability is built on respect.